Hello everyone. Today's recipe is Kher Sangri, a traditional Rajasthani delicacy. Kher is a wild berry and sangri is a desert bean, both native to the dry regions of Rajasthan. So let us dive into making this authentic dish. Before we proceed, in case you are new to the channel, please do subscribe so that you are notified of all the upcoming recipes. To begin, this is the dried sangri. It is a type of bean that grows on the khejri tree, which grows in Rajasthan's deserts. And these are dried kher berries. Kher sangri is a staple in many Rajasthani households, perfect for days when fresh vegetables are not available. Both kher and sangri need to be washed thoroughly to remove any desert sand. So we'll wash the kher and sangri thoroughly, changing the water a few times to get rid of any residual dirt. Once it is washed well, we'll drain the water and add fresh water. And we'll soak this for about 7 to 8 hours, allowing it to rehydrate. After it is soaked well, drain the water and keep this aside for the time being. I've also soaked few dry red chilies for about 15 minutes. We'll blend garlic along with the soaked chilies to make a coarse paste. Next, chop 2 onions into thin slices. As I cut the onions, I would like to mention that I have quite a few other Rajasthani recipes on my channel. The links for the same will be in the description box below. Make sure to check them out. Next, heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of asafoetida. Then add the onion slices and saute until they turn soft and golden. Once the onions turn golden in color, add the chili garlic paste. Rinse the mixer jar with a bit of water and add that water to the pan. Next, add turmeric powder. Mix well and cook this for a few minutes. Once everything is well combined, we'll add the soaked kher and sangri to the pan. Mix everything thoroughly. Now we'll add a teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of amchur powder and salt as per taste. Mix everything well. Cover the pan and let this cook for 8 to 10 minutes on low heat. So there is your kher sangri ready to be served. Garnish kher sangri with chopped coriander leaves and enjoy this with chapatis or bajra rotis. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.